10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. WWG53, go!
The report from Butler was not available. The report from Franklin was not available. Erie, light rain and fog, 53, winds gusting to 29. Bradford, rain and fog, 48, winds gusting to 22, in southwest PA. Pittsburgh, light rain and fog, and 54 degrees. Beaver, fog, total 54, winds gusting to 17. State College, light rain and fog, 50. In West Virginia, Morgantown, light rain, 56 degrees. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast